What's going on, guys? This is Ryan with Flagship outside of our newest rental acquisition here in Columbus, Georgia. Gonna do a walk around and walk through, show you kind of what we're planning to do here and a little bit about it. So this is her, Sherwood Avenue in Columbus, kind of midtown area near the hospital. She's not in bad shape, actually. Needs a little bit of love. The seller inherited the property, the tenant quit paying, and so they just were ready to get rid of it. So we have some trash left behind from the prior tenant that we're gonna have to take care of. Obviously a lot of the stuff out front here is landscaping related. We need to cut these bushes either totally out or way back. Got this tree with a bunch of limbs hanging over the top of the house. We'll probably cut those back. And then we've got this massive tree here right by the road. You can barely see the house because of this tree, so we're gonna take this totally out. It just takes up like half the yard. But on the outside, it's vinyl siding, so we'll pressure wash everything. I'll probably take that little awning down. It looks pretty nasty. Roof looks okay. Paint these shutters. That kind of stuff. In the backyard's not too bad. It's got a shed back there that's in decent shape. Kind of more of the same in the back. It's just kind of nasty and scraggly back here. We'll get rid of the remaining trash. Cut out these nasty bushes and stuff that are just ugly. But other than that, not a whole lot going on. The windows are good. Vinyl siding's good. There's a few spots where we might have to patch the vinyl siding, but pressure wash and clean up the yard is about all we'll do out here. Here we are on the inside of the Sherwood Avenue property. They left a little bit of trash in here for us, but we'll get it knocked out. It's the living area, and then when I turn around, it's the kitchen. The kitchen's not in bad shape. We'll paint these cabinets, put on new hardware, put on some new countertops. We'll go back with our stainless steel appliances, that kind of stuff. But overall, the kitchen's in pretty good shape. Obviously, we'll paint everything in here, patch all these holes. There's a bunch of nails in the wall, some sheetrock issues that we'll fix. Replace all the floors in here. Some of them look okay, some of them don't, so we'll just replace them all just for uniformity. There's a couple soft spots in the floors we'll need to fix when we pull up the floors. So nothing too bad. Got 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. This is the bathroom. We'll come in, and there's 2 separate vanities here. I think I'll probably just put in a larger one and a bigger mirror instead of having 2 vanities, 2 lights, all that stuff. Toilet there. Tub looks okay, actually. Probably won't do much with that. Just clean it up. Paint everything, obviously. And we've got our 2 bedrooms on either side of the bathroom. So, left us a bed here. Bed frame, at least. Get that out of here. So yeah, it should look great. It's in a pretty solid location, quiet little street here in Columbus. I'm excited to see how this one looks when we're done.